Well, sir.
So let's start with let's start by looking at the daily time. This is US 30. So when you look at the US 30 currently, you can also see that it's been ranging for over a number of days now. What I'm just doing now is to hopefully draw my area of concern. This is ranging since so looking at this, so this is our area of concentration, meaning that as the market is ranging, whatever that happen within here and here, except if there is other characteristics that proves that it is about going down below this normal zone or going out above this zone, then but let's go to our lower time frame, which is 4 hours, where we can as well take see more, have a more clearer view of what is painting. Now looking at this now, we can as well begin to anticipate that US 30 is coming somewhere here. It's coming somewhere. So even though that we are anticipating for a sale, but now patience is needed because it is still going to touch here and they also give a fake out. That means that it will be more better. It will be more better selling around somewhere around here, depending on the candlesticks and the other confluences that we'll be looking at. But now, with what we have, having established this in mind that US 30 is ranging, then we can now go to our lower time frame. You know, because it's ranging, we are to trade it with a different mindset, not a trending market where we're looking for either the impulsive or look at what is happening now, just as we said. So even if we are, even though we are preparing for a sale, but now uh, patience is needed, or if we are to scalp, we can as well scalp from here to here in terms of be on the safer side. This is it's a very big movement. So we are expecting US 30 to come somewhere here or even here before we can now sell confidently. Now, having established this, this is when we have to go to our lower time frame and then as well look at because the market has touched here. So what is doing now is a final push. It has touched here and came back. So now we are expecting that this market. Remember when we put this black line was when we are in daily. So
Yes.
yeah. So now what we're expecting here is that this market is coming to somewhere here and above, definitely and above here and above this trend, this line. Why? Because it is expected that it will create a new high. It will create at least equal or a new high before it starts falling. So we shouldn't be looking for a buy. I mean for a sale when market open in US today. That means by 3 o'clock Nigerian time. Then when a US market is open, what we just need is just to go to CNBC and look at the news and look at the news, what the news is showing. If out of the group, because this is a group of 30 companies, if majority of the companies are showing blues, then that means it is in agreement with what we have said. But above all, we know that news respect technical, so it is expected now that we should just okay. So we are to just wait a bit while this candle this is a 15 minutes, this is a 7 minutes past, so we have to wait for this candle to close, then and we hoping because there is no more. That's because the retracement have happened here, and it is actually ready for the rise. So what we just need now is just to wait a bit and allow this candle to form as soon as it forms. I mean, as soon as it closes, then the next thing is for us to shoot and start our buying, which we'll be looking to have a cut of at least uh, the only difference with this is that our stop loss will be very, very large. And this is why, even personally, I won't be trading it. Why? Because I can't be risking this much to get this few. See, you understand? One to one, yeah, 1-to-1 is not a good except I also go to a lower time frame and also find more refined chances of maybe the market coming down towards somewhere here. If it can come down towards somewhere here, then I'll be tempted to go for it based on risking one to get two. But in all, it's a scalp, and it is a very confirming. It will be very, very confirm that this retest, I think, is expected. It's expected that there will be a retest that will be coming here now. So as soon as it comes to this area now, then what will happen is that then we are going to join the market, and by way of our explanation, we are expecting that the market will create a new high. That means it's going to go above here. So that is what we are looking now at US30. So we get set. If this retracement comes back to somewhere around here, then we can shoot then and follow it upward. Then that is all about US30. Then I go back to this is British GBPUSD. Then we also have to take our analysis from the daily time frame when we'll be having a more clearer view of what the market is saying. This is daily. So looking at it here, we can agree that this market is in a very clear uptrend. Overall, it's in an uptrend. Before we can now talk of what is happening between here. This is a zone. This is a zone. Let me change it to line chart where I will have more clearer view. This is a zone. This is also a zone. It's also a zone. Yeah. So, and let me put more one. Finally, this is a zone. So now, having established this in our daily, then we can now go to our 4 hours. in our 4 hours, just as in agreement of what we saw in our daily, we can see that the market is showing it started showing element of readiness for the bullish movement. But even before we go into that, we can even look at this, that this is the last touch on the trend line, and this is the second touch on the trend line. So if we go by the rule of this, we can as well, agree that the market has come out. It's now in our 0.618 and 0.5 fib region. Now, with a very heavy bullish engulfing candle, not only with a heavy bullish engulfing candle, it has also given us a candlestick pattern known as a morning star. So, and why we are paying attention to this morning star candle pattern is because it happened in a zone. Remember that when we put this zone here, we were in daily. Then, and when we plotted our trend line, we were also in daily. And now coming to see that these two technical tools, or three of them now, are agreeing together here. Why do I say three? This trend line and the support and resistance and our 0.5 and 0.618 fib region, they are all in agreement of this particular area. Then, having established that in our mind, then what we just need now is just a patient. Let me change this to line chart so that there will be no form of line chart. So what we're expecting this market now to do is, we are expecting this market to come as it is now, to break this counter trend line, then a retest of this zone, either here or just anywhere, as long as there is a retest, then we can long confidently to here. Now look at this in our lower time frame. Look at this in our lower time frame. When we go to 1 hour, where there is a lot of display of candles. So just as we said in our 4 hours, so what we're expecting now is that we're expecting a retest. This market, because from here, it is actually ranging from here. So, and we can't claim ignorant of this particular area now, this particular region. This particular region, the market will also respect it. So that's why we are saying now that the market will come, it will go up now and break this counter trend line, then get into this particular region, because you can see that this is an area, of interest. So when price get here, there will be a rejection. So as soon as this rejection occur, then there will be a retracement which may reach here or not reach here. But as long as there is a rejection from here, then and the element of bullishness is shown, then we can long. So this is what we should be expecting today with GBUSD. The patient is needed now for us to, or even if we want to, if then and our stop loss will be just 30 pips to catch this massive move. So when we look at this now, this is a risk that is worth taking. So if we are scalping now, you can buy from here, but have it in mind that as soon as market reaches here or somewhere around here, that you should be ready, either here where it is currently or somewhere here. somewhere here, we should be ready to jump out then and sell. Then this sale is just a retail sale. It's a sale that is against the main trend. And I myself have told myself this week that I don't want to trade against the trend, because in most cases now, this is not a small movement, but the issue is that you may be selling now hoping that it is coming here, which is the normal way it's supposed to be. But you know, this market is dynamic, so you may be, you may just relax and say that you are selling, you are waiting for the market to come and retest at this zone before you know it will leave you halfway and they started going against you. So this week, personally, I told myself that I'm not going to go against the trend, no any form of counter trend movement. I am only ready for whatever that is going in favor of the trend, and in favor of this trend now, it is that GBUSD, it is bullish. So I have to wait. I'll just put myself on alert, my trade review on alert, that as soon as price goes up now, and when it's coming down, that my app should alert, should let me know from here, so that I can now position myself and begin to watch for what is to happen. But in all, let us not sell. Don't think of selling, because whatever that is happening when it's coming down is just a retest of this zone. It will become just coming back to retest on this zone, and the market will go. And this is almost 100 plus pips that is expected of this today before any form of pullback. That is on GPUSD. Then on USDJPY, USDJPY, go to our daily. Go to our daily, yeah. This is our daily time frame. So let us look at what is happening currently. This is very, 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 very bullish. So it have broken, it have gone above the previous low. Now targeting this. So just by me looking at this now, are we going to look for a sale? No. Why? Because the bullish momentum, the candles that they are too head to go against them. Let me take out some of these things. Take out some of these things. So now, having seen that it is in an all-time bullish. So we just go to our lower time frame, which is our 4 hours. Our 4 hours. Then we need to anticipate what may likely happen. So what are we expecting from here? We're only looking for a sale. So whatever that is happening around here, what we just need now is just to allow them go to our lower time frame and look for entry opportunities, which is just looking for a form of a retracement. This is why you see. So this is what is happening. What is happening here now? So you can't just begin to say, I'm seeing this rejection. I'm seeing this. I want to sell. Yes, it is very, very dangerous going against a trend of this magnitude, except if something happened differently. But as it is now, we are just waiting for this candle to pull down a bit, maybe towards this, because this was where it broke this region. So what we're just waiting now is for this candle to come down a bit, coming down a bit, so that our stop loss will be very, 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 very minor. So in all, let us not look for any form of buying, any form of selling with a USDJPY. So we should be expecting any form of retracement. As soon as retracements come, how many pips is this? This is wow. You can go with 15 pips. 15 pips to look for as. But I myself, I said, I'm looking for only 50 pips. 50 pips. I don't want to be played this week, and then that it's working. So I think this is a risk that is worth taking. Why do I say so? Yeah, we can look. This is a psychological zone. This is a psychological zone. So this is a psychological zone. So and this is a 21 minutes past the hour. So let us just wait for the extra 9 minutes and allow this candle to close. If this candle closes more heady than more bullish than bearish, then we should. I think we should go safe. We should go because you are risking you are risking 20 pips to get a 50 pips, and because there's no possibility of this market coming down now up to this area. So if you are on now, if you are on, you can put a buy, on USDJPY. I myself, I'm still my position is still open since let me check. I can't even remember when my position is still. I just want to show you now that my own position is still open on since
Where should you put the stop loss?
it should be at 151 point 151.20 20 pips. I just posted my trade now on the WhatsApp platform. My what is it called? I just posted my
It's
US.
BTC.
No, I just posted the USDJPY. It's still, so you can see that I went in at 148.82.
Oh,
So I started
oh,
148, 148, because I saw that it is that was what informed my decision. I joined. If you look at it, it was only one order that I put because this week I don't have this. I don't have the flipping. I think it was somewhere 148. You can see that.
it's a big move.
Oh, so this is a 148. Let me see. So it's been, yeah, even though that yesterday there was a retracement, but I refused to because I saw that we are in an all-time uh, bullish. So now let us just target this 50 pips on a USD JPY. But you can see on the WhatsApp platform when I went in. I think this was on Monday. It was on Monday. As soon as market opened on Monday, that I went into this trade and just traded very conservatively. So let us also look at the BTC. BTC while we round
Okay.
off this discussion with this is also what I saw that made me that I didn't close my trade on BTC. So remember that when was this? I think it was on Saturday. On Saturday we were talking about the market. That the market is ranging. Let me move. When was that? Was it on Saturday when we were doing a post market?
It was on Saturday.
Yeah. So now looking at this now, looking at this now, it is likely that BTC targeting okay, and here, okay, let me put it so we can remember that this is date time frame where we narrow our discussion to daily. Discussion daily. Also daily. If you have a question, just can come my attention at any time. So this is what has been played. This is what we saw on Friday. Even though that time I think the price was somewhere here. Price was somewhere here. Okay, on Saturday. This was on Saturday. Oh, no, it was on Friday. Where is Saturday? Okay, this is Friday, Saturday. Yeah, this was Saturday. Now let us go to 4 hours where we have more display of candles so as to now. So what is happening now? What is happening now is just a partial retracement. So it's just a partial retracement which will bring BTC up to somewhere here. As soon as it comes somewhere, no, it should be more than that. As soon as it comes somewhere here, yeah, because this is also a zone. You know, we know that that this move from zone to zone. So now what we're watching now is just a partial pullback to somewhere here. So that those who miss this first entry will now have opportunity to enter again. Then and as soon as that happens, I think BTC is coming here. Is it here? Yeah. I think it's coming here. Because before it will continue going up again, it must clear this. It must clear this zone before BTC will be ready to go up. In short, a lot of people will start looking for a confident long that it have touched the zone. But my own strategy, I'm expecting that it will clear this. It's only when it clears this low that I will now begin to think about buying. So as it is now, BTC is still much bearish. It's still very, very, very much bearish. So what are we expecting now?
Sorry, you said that we reach where? 60 what?
Like, look at what is happening now. I'm coming. Look at what's happening. What is happening now is that it is going now. It's going to somewhere around here now. It's coming somewhere around here. This upward movement, I think it's very, very big. Yeah, I think it is very, very big, very, very big. Why? Because of this spine I'm seeing in a zone. So looking at this candlestick that is displaying here, and this heading, so we should be expecting this to go more up. I'm saying that it should come somewhere around here. This upward movement, it should come to somewhere here. But by peradventure, if it comes here and break above it, it's going up now. As you can see that the market is ranging from here. So we're expecting this to come up to this area now. And as it comes here, should it break above here, then it will come here. It will come here, then before we continue with the sale. So as it is currently, we should, as a day trader, you should be looking for a buy. You should be looking for a buy because it is coming here. It is coming here. Look at our Fibonacci. This is our most recent high, the most recent low. Yeah, most recent low. Most recent high. This is where it started. So it has come up to this area. So this is what I'm looking at for BTC today. So BTC will be bullish. Will be bullish this morning up to this region. Yeah, to be bullish up to this region. So it is only whatever that happened outside of here that would bring about the continuation of which I'm going to close my trade now. But is this worth taking? Because you can't be risking one to get a 1.5. But there's the possibility of this particular move now. There's a possibility of it going more than here. So, and that's why we put this line up here. So there's a possibility of it coming here or possibly here. But to be on the safer side, that is a very good chances of the market going up to here, up to where this is currently. So let me also look at it in the only looking for just for the 50 pips. Yeah. So we should be buying a BTC today. We should be buying BTC today. So BTC have that.
Buy now.
Yes. Yes, you can. But wait, no, you can, or you wait for yes, you can buy now and put your stop loss here. And put your stop loss here. Yeah, you can buy now. You can buy now. And if you're not buying now, then you wait for a retracement. For a retracement to give us a double bottom. Have you bought already? Hello? Have you bought already?
No.
Okay, wait. Then don't. So what you now do is just wait. We're expecting a retracement. A retracement is possible. So there will be a retracement now. Then that is giving us a double bottom chart formation. Then we can now. This is the best place to buy. So we should buy in here. When price there's a retracement that is coming. So price will come down, come back to this area. Then you can now buy. Yeah, just have this in your mind that price, you can take a screenshot of this. Price is coming down to this area. Then we'll now buy. So BTC we should be buying the whole day. So that is a BTC. Gold, we don't have our time is very limited now. I've also touched gold, but gold, I'm also long on gold today. Let me know if I can use these 2 minutes. 2 minutes to say something, because we have just very few limited number of just only 2 minutes, and Zoom will kick us out. So this is gold. This is gold in a daily time frame. So just like on Saturday, we said that gold is ranging. In most of this week, throughout last week, it's been ranging, and the most part of remember we said most part of this week that it will be sale, and it have happened. It have happened